In the previous video we left with this. So 63 plus 6 by 4, it will be 9 by 4 in the denominator. When it go up, it will be reciprocal. So 60 into 4 by 9, 64 are 240 by 9. So 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 80 by 3 is 26.7 km per hour. So this is the speed known as average speed of the car. Now the next question is, a train travels at 60 km per hour for 0.52 hours. Then for next 0.24 hours it travels 30 with the speed of 30 km per hour, and for the next 0.71 hour it moves with the speed of 70 km per hour. Now you have to find out the average speed. Now we know the formula of average speed. It is a total distance upon total time. Let's picturize this numerical. See, for the first 0.25 hour, 0.52 hour, it's move with the speed of 60 km per hour. For next 0.24 hour, it's move with the speed of 30 km per hour. And for the next 0.71 hour, it moves with the speed of 70 km per hour. Now see, this is the time of first journey, second part of the motion, and time for the next part of the motion. Okay. Now total time we can find out. T1 plus T2 plus T3, 0.52. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 9 plus 5, 14. So it will be, total time will be 1.47 hours. Now what about distance? See, in this part we don't know how much distance is being covered. In this part we do not know how much distance is being covered, and this part we do not know how much distance is being covered. Let here distance covered is x1, here distance covered is x2, and here distance covered is x3. Now find out x1. Distance covered in first part of motion x1. डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? देखो, डिस्टेंस क्या फॉर्मूला होता है आपको पता है? स्पीड इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? स्पीड इनटू टाइम. यस और नो? तो पहले पार्ट का डिस्टेंस निकालना आपको. पहले पार्ट का अगर आपको डिस्टेंस निकालना है तो पहले पार्ट की स्पीड और टाइम को मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. ओके, मीन्स you have to find out, if you want to find out distance, you have to multiply speed with time. Now see here, speed of first part is 60, multiply by 0.52. So when you will multiply it, you will get 31.2 kilometers. You can solve. Now distance covered in the second part of the motion. हाउ मच इट इज़? डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? अभी बताया मैंने आपको, स्पीड इनटू टाइम. दिस इज x2. स्पीड कितनी है सेकंड पार्ट में? 30. टाइम कितना है? 0.24. सो व्हेन यू विल सॉल्व दिस, इट विल कम अराउंड 7.2. 72, 24, 3 is 72, 7.2 kilometers. और डिस्टेंस कवर्ड in second part of motion. These are the extra numericals we are doing. You need to copy down in your notebooks also. x3 means distance. How you find out? Speed multiply by time. 70 into 0.71. What is the 70 into 0.71? It will come around 49.7 hours. Now we have to find out average speed. Average speed is total distance. Total distance means distance in the first part of the motion x1 plus distance in the second part of the motion x2 plus distance in the third part of the motion experiment. Total time we have calculated just now. How much it was? 1.47 hour. So simply need to add all the distance. That is first part 31.2 plus 7.2 and then, so it is in kilometers, 49.7 divided by 1.47. When you will solve this, it will come 88.1 divided by 1.47, and it is on solving you will get 59.9 kilometer. So this is the answer. Got it? So these are the numericals based on. Now one more numerical we will do. This one. A scooter acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. I told you, whenever you have got a word just after a start, मतलब start होने के बाद, स्टार्ट होने पर इसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी है? कोई भी बॉडी जीरो से स्टार्ट होती है, तो स्टार्ट पर इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या लोगे आप? यहाँ पर जीरो. जब भी ऐसे वर्ड होता है ना, जस्ट आफ्टर द स्टार्ट, मीन्स इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज गिवन टू बी हाउ मच? जीरो. नाउ सी इन दिस क्वेश्चन. अ स्कूटर एक्वायर्स a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. It takes 20 seconds to stop. Calculate the acceleration in two cases. मीन्स टू केसेस कैसे बनेंगे देखो. फर्स्ट केस स्कूटर एक्वायर्स अ वेलोसिटी ऑफ 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर जस्ट आफ्टर द स्टार्ट. एक तो ये केस बना, मतलब वो शुरू कहाँ से हुआ? जीरो से शुरू हुआ. मीन्स इनिशियल केस वन में मीन्स इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज जीरो एंड एक्वायर्स अ वेलोसिटी ऑफ 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. टाइम दे रखा सेकेंड में, इट इज़ इन किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू meter per second. How you convert into kilometer per hour into meter per second? By multiply with 5 by t, so it will be 10 meter per second. Time taken how much? A scooter acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds. How much seconds? In 10 seconds. So time is given to be 10 seconds. So acceleration formula you know, v minus u by t. What is v? Final velocity is 10. Initial velocity with which it started, 1 meter per second square. Units of acceleration is meter per second square. Now case 2. वो कहता है आफ्टर एक्वायरिंग द 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. देखो 36 किलोमीटर आगे, पहले जीरो से शुरू हुआ, ठीक है. 10 सेकेंड्स में इट एक्वायर्स 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. देन हियर हाउ मच इट स्टॉप्स? फाइनल वेलोसिटी जीरो. सो वी विल कंसिडर दिस मोशन नाउ. सो यू विल बी हियर 36 kilometer per hour, v is 0 and time is 20 seconds. So acceleration will be v minus u by t. So it will be, when you will solve this, 0 minus 10 by 20. So we are